In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom JavaScript in your Elementor page. If you've ever wanted to enhance your website with custom scripts for additional functionality or interactive elements, this guide is just for you. We'll walk through a straightforward process to help you seamlessly integrate your own JavaScript into an Elementor page. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to have the Elementor page builder installed and ready on your WordPress site. Choose the specific page where you'd like to add your custom JavaScript and open it in the Elementor editor. This is where the magic happens, as Elementor provides a user-friendly interface that allows for easy customization and personalization of your web pages. Once you're in the editor, locate the section of the page where you want your JavaScript code to execute. This could be anywhere from the header, footer, or even in between text blocks, depending on what your script is intended to do. Keep in mind that the placement of your code can influence the execution and interaction with other elements. Now comes the exciting part. You'll want to add an HTML widget, which is a nifty feature in Elementor that allows you to directly input custom code, including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Find the HTML widget in the Elementor panel on the left, then simply drag and drop it into the desired section of your page. This widget acts as a container for your script, providing flexibility for coding right within the visual environment of Elementor. Inside this HTML widget, you need to wrap your JavaScript code with the script tag. This is how you let the browser know you're inserting a script. It should look something like this. By wrapping your code in these tags, you'll ensure that the browser interprets the enclosed content correctly and executes it as JavaScript. Remember, it's crucial to double-check that your script is correctly written and that all functions are properly defined to avoid any errors when the page is loaded. As you work, make sure your script aligns with your website's overall functionality and design. Test your page thoroughly in various browsers and devices to ensure compatibility and smooth performance. This can help address any issues early on, providing you with the confidence that your newly added functionality works as intended. In conclusion, adding custom JavaScript to your Elementor page is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your site's features and interactivity. With the use of the HTML widget, you can easily integrate scripts into any page section, providing endless possibilities for customization. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I look forward to seeing what you create with your new skills in adding custom JavaScript to Elementor pages.